If you're getting the frustrating OneDrive error 1200 something went wrong message, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to walk you through a proven set of steps to solve this issue so you can get your files syncing smoothly again and stop worrying about lost data or broken connections. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to troubleshoot and fix this error, whether it's a glitch on your PC or something else entirely. Let's dive right in and get your OneDrive back on track. First things first. We want to clear out any app-specific glitches that might be causing OneDrive to misbehave. These are often identity issues where the app gets confused about who's logged in. Start by opening File Explorer. In the address bar, type in %localappdata%pic/Microsoft and hit Enter. You'll land inside a Microsoft folder hidden deep in your profile's local data. Now here's something a lot of people miss. Windows keeps some folders hidden by default, so if you don't see a folder called Credentials or Identity Cache, don't panic. Just go up to the View tab in File Explorer and check the box for hidden items. This will reveal those system folders that aren't normally shown. Now look for the Credentials folder. If you see it, right-click and delete it. If it's not there, look for Identity Cache and delete that instead. Why are we doing this step? These folders store the profile data OneDrive relies on to verify your account. If they're corrupted or stuck, OneDrive can throw error 1200 and refuse to sync properly. Clearing them gives OneDrive a fresh start, kind of like wiping a fogged-up window so you can see clearly again. Once you've deleted the folder, close everything and restart your computer. This part's important to make sure any background process is fully reset before you try again. Don't worry if the restart takes a little bit. Sometimes Windows needs an extra moment here. With your computer backup, the next step is to refresh OneDrive's link to your PC. In your taskbar, find the white or blue OneDrive cloud icon. It might be hiding in that little arrow that shows hidden icons on the right. Right-click it and choose Settings or Help in Settings, depending on what version you have. Click over to the Account tab. Here you'll see the option to unlink this PC. Go ahead and select that. This disconnects your computer from OneDrive, which can clear up account connection problems. After it unlinks, you'll need to sign back in with your Microsoft account details. Make sure you use the correct username and password, just like logging into your email. This step reestablishes a clean connection to Microsoft servers and often solves lingering sync errors. Next up, let's give the app itself a little nudge. Press the Windows key and R on your keyboard at the same time. In the box that appears, paste in C/program files /Microsoft OneDrive /OneDrive exe reset and hit Enter. What this does is tell OneDrive to completely reset itself, a full refresh, not just a restart. You might notice the OneDrive icon disappearing from the taskbar for a few moments. That's normal. It'll pop back up once it's done resetting and you can proceed. While you're here, it's always wise to check that Windows and OneDrive are up to date. Outdated software can sometimes be the sneaky culprit for sync issues like this. Run Windows Update to make sure everything's current, and check the Microsoft Store for OneDrive updates if you're using the app from there. Finally, before you start worrying that you did something wrong, visit Microsoft's official 365 server status page to see if there are any known outages. Sometimes these errors are simply the result of temporary Microsoft server hiccups, and all you need is a little patience. And that's it. If you follow these steps, you'll have covered nearly every common cause of OneDrive error 1200. If the issue persists, let me know in the comments below and I'll be happy to help troubleshoot. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward tech tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.